Welcome to Yoga with Em. My name's Emmy and I'm going to be guiding you through a morning routine. So if you've got 12 minutes, we can work together on the mat to get the energy flowing, the chi, the prana, the life force, and to start your day in a positive way. So come and join me on the mat now. This is yoga for every day, for everybody. Joining me. Let's go through a morning yoga routine together. Today we're going to start on hands and knees. We begin our warm-up here, cat and cow. So hands are placed beneath the shoulders, knees are about hip width. And if you've got sensitive knees or this doesn't feel comfortable for you, you can put like a folded blanket or something beneath your knees. Might feel a little bit better. All right, cat and cow. So inhale, eye gaze forward for cow pose. And then exhale, arch the back into cat. And as you inhale, move the pelvis. So tilt the pelvis. And then exhale, arch the back and eye gaze between your legs. Inhale, cow pose, Bitil Asana. Exhale, Majari Asana, cat pose. And then just come to a neutral tabletop. So we're going to do a little bit of kind of balancing and coordination work from here. So engage your core, engage your abdominal muscles. And then you want to keep your eye gaze down if possible. So you can look at what I'm doing, but then eye gaze kind of down towards the mat really, because you want to lengthen through the crown of your head. So reach out your right arm long, and then when you feel ready and balanced, stretch out your left leg. So opposite arm, opposite leg. And then flex the foot, press into the heel, reach through the fingertips. And so your eye gaze is still down towards the ground, but just slightly ahead, so you can feel that lengthening of the spine right through to the crown of your head. Engage the abdominal muscles. And then exhale, bring your hand and knee back down to the mat. Let's change it over. So reach the left arm out as you send the right leg long this time. And I want you to kind of focus on taking the shoulder back and down, so away from the ear, create length, and then eye gaze slightly down and ahead of you. Your thumb is pointing to the sky and you're reaching through the fingertips. Your foot is flexed, press through the heel. The glutes are working, that leg is engaged and your core is engaged. Exhale now, return to the mat. Let's add on. So right arm, left leg, just like before. Core is working. And now we're going to revolve. So rotate round onto the diagonal to your right. Inhale, come back through center. And exhale, replace hand and foot. All right, change it over. So left hand, right leg. Inhale, find the length. Exhale, rotate. Core is engaged. Coming back through center. And exhale, replace hand and knee back down to the mat. All right, let's find our downward facing dog from here. So tuck your toes under. Hands are stacked beneath the shoulders or maybe slightly in front. Press strongly into your fingertips. Send your hips high. The head is roughly kind of in between the arms. Relax your head and your neck. From here, step forward with me to a forward fold. So walk the feet forward. You can bend the knees as much as you need. Be kind to your hamstrings this morning. And then we're going to roll on up. So one vertebrae at a time, nice and slow, uncurl. Your head is the very last to come up, and then roll your shoulders back and down. Okay, let's do our full morning warm-up routine. Surya Namaskara. Take a few breaths here. Slow down your breathing. Ground down evenly and firmly through the feet. Find that balance. Maybe rock forward on the toes, back on the heels. Find your center. Engage your core. And then release the hands down to your sides. Mountain pose, Tadasana. All right, let's begin our flow. Inhale, sweep the hands up and overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips and fold. Inhale, right foot steps back. And then exhale, send that left foot back. Inhale here at the top of your plank. You can drop the knees or keep them lifted, but exhale as you lower down with the core engaged. Baby cobra, back bend. Lift your eye gaze and your heart. And then exhale, the hips, send them high, downward facing dog. Make that upside down V shape. Inhale, three-legged dog, right foot to the sky. Exhale, right foot steps in between the hands. Left foot follows, forward fold. And then inhale, rise, extended mountain pose. Bring the hands up overhead, palms together. And exhale, hands to your heart. Keep flowing with me now. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left foot steps back a long way. And exhale, send your right foot back. Inhale to the top of your plank. And exhale, lower down. Core is engaged. Inhale for your back bend, baby cobra. Exhale, send those hips back and then high, downward facing dog. Left foot to the sky, three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale. Left foot steps between the hands. Right foot follows. And then inhale and rise all the way to top of extended mountain pose. Bring your hands to your heart. Release the hands. Let's continue our flow together. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right foot steps back. Exhale, send the left foot back. Inhale to the top of your plank. Exhale, lower with control. Elbows are right by your ribs. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, send the hips back and high, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot to the sky. Exhale, right foot steps through. Left foot steps in between the hands, forward fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to your heart. Okay, stay with me. Let's continue to flow. Inhale, find that length. And exhale, hinge at the hips and feel that length through the hamstrings. Step your left foot back and just feel the stretch in your hips. Send the right foot back and find your plank, top of push-up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, three-legged dog, left foot rises. Exhale, step left foot in between the hands. Right foot follows, forward fold. Rise and shine all the way to extended mountain pose. And then bring your hands back to heart center as you exhale. Release your hands here and take a moment, feeling longer, stronger. The energy is flowing and more awake. Let's balance together now. Let's find our tree pose. So balancing on your right leg, we can bring our hands to our heart center. And the left foot can either be high, it can be low, or even toes touching. But engage your core. So draw the abdominal muscles in, but keep breathing. Now you can stay here with your hands at your heart center, or otherwise, inhale, reach the arms out. Exhale, bring them back to your heart. Inhale, reach for the sky. And exhale, back to center. Let's do that again. Inhale, open the arms wide. Exhale to your heart. So we're moving in time with the breath. And we're finding that challenge on the mat. Bring the foot down to the mat. And pedal through the legs if you need to. And then let's find our tree on the other side now. So balancing on your left leg, engage all the muscles in your left leg as well as engaging the core. And keep breathing. Remember there's an option to keep your hands at heart center. Otherwise, inhale. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, reach for the sky. The challenge is if you take your eyes to the sky, you'll find your balance is challenged there. One more time. Inhale, open the arms wide and then bring them to your heart. Reach the hands to the sky and then back to your heart. Nice, and lower the foot down to the mat. Let's complete our practice this morning, taking a few rounds of breath, standing here at the top of the mat. So inhale, circle the fingertips up and overhead. Exhale, hands down to your heart. One more time, inhale. Exhale to the heart. And it feels right actually just to do that one last time. So let's do this together as we complete our morning practice. Thank you for joining me this morning. Namaste.